Hey everyone, Joe from Espresso Outlet. Today we're going to do a quick video on the DF64V and the clicking noise that a lot of people are hearing when the grinder's powered off. What that noise is the plasma generator. Quick fix for that, if you hear this noise, then it should be a quick fix. First, we're going to take off the chute. And sometimes these are a little grumpy, so you just have to be patient and kind of work it back and forth. And once that comes out, this is what we're looking for right here. So as you've seen in the last video, somewhere in these wires there maybe is a hole poked, or maybe during assembly it got roughed in there, and it's just enough for that spark to kind of get out. So we're going to take some silicone. It's available at Home Depot, Lowe's, and it's just clear waterproof silicone, and we're going to find the area where there is damage and just put a little dab on it. Spread it out. And then we're gonna let that dry. Okay, once this is dried up, we're gonna come back, reinstall it, and that should take care of the problem. Now again, reinstalling this, it's real easy to pinch these wires. So the bottom's got to be level. It's got to go in there first, and then we just evenly kind of apply all the way around. Tighten it back up, and that should take care of the clicking noise that you hear when the grinder's powered off.